Hi, my name is Akshay Kaushik. I am a Delhi-based practicing lawyer. Today I'll be sharing few ideas by using of which you can avoid the maintenance part in the matrimonial dispute. The very first ground which you can take to avoid the maintenance part in the courtroom is you have to prove that your wife is earning, your wife is working somewhere, and she is getting enough amount of money that she can maintain herself. Now, how you can prove it? You have to produce the salary slips of the wife, you have to produce the bank account statements of her. Also, you can prove this thing by showing the employer details where she is working. The second ground which you can take to avoid the maintenance part is you have to prove the court that the wife is capable of working but she is not working anywhere. Just to harass you, just to get maintenance from you, she is not working. Now, the way of proving the same is by showing the educational qualification of the wife, that she is that much qualified, she can earn even 20k or 25k per month or 50k or 1 lakh, any sort of amount. But she is not working because she wants to take the maintenance from you. Also, you can prove in the court that she has a past experience of work. If she had been working somewhere, you can collect all the evidences, all the details from the past employers, and you can produce the same in the court that she has a wide range of experience in the field, any field it can be, and still she is not working because she wants to get maintenance from me without any reasonable ground. The other ground which you can take in the matrimonial dispute is you can prove the court that you have the liability, you have the dependents, and because of that you are not able to give the maintenance to the wife. For example, you have the parents to maintain, they are dependent upon you. You have the child, if you have the child custody with you, you have to take care of the child as well, his education expenses, his medical expenses, so many expenses are there. So you are not in a situation to maintain the wife and to give the maintenance to her which she is asking to you. In that particular scenario, court may reduce the amount of maintenance as asked by the wife. The fourth ground which you can take is you can prove the court that she has left you without any reason. Now, reason of leaving should be reasonable or should be exercisable by the court. For example, if someone has left you, your wife has left you without any reasonable ground, so in that particular case, court has the power to reject the application filed by the wife. And she is living separately without any reason, that is a perfect ground for rejecting the application of maintenance by the judge. So you can prove this thing in the court as well. The fifth ground you can take is you can prove in the court that she is living in adultery, she has an extramarital affair. This ground itself is mentioned in the CRPC, that is Code of Civil Procedure, in which it is clearly stated if the wife is living in adultery, the court has the power to reject the application of maintenance of the wife on the ground that she is living in adultery, and she will not be able to claim the maintenance in future as well. That is a valid ground of rejecting the application of the wife by the judge, by the court. So by using few grounds which I have shared with you in this particular video, you can avoid the maintenance part from the wife.